Excel 5 Workbook, Model 8b, Exercise 1. Fill in N or some. The first, some trainers. The second, a swimming pool. The third, a medal. The fourth, an ice skater. The fifth, some tennis balls. The sixth, an orange basketball. Exercise 2. Complete the sentences. Use an, some, or any. The first. There is a basketball match at the school tonight. Let's go. The second. Timur has got an important judo competition today. The third. I've got a helmet and some skis, but I haven't got any goggles. The fourth. We've got a lot of cricket balls, but we need some new bats. The fifth. Are there any tennis rackets in the school sports cupboard? Exercise 3. Complete the description. Use an, some, or any. Robert Jessic is an amazing cyclist. He rides for a team called Rabobank. He has got a special bike and he always wears a helmet, some glasses, and some gloves when he goes cycling. Robert wins a lot of races, but he hasn't got any medals from the Olympics yet. He hopes to win a medal at the next Olympic Games. Exercise 4. Choose the correct item. The first sentence. It's important to drink a lot of water when you play sport. The second. Ayusha doesn't watch many sport games on TV. The third. There are a lot of students in my judo class. The fourth. Not many people go bowling these days. The fifth. The tickets for the game cost a lot of money. Exercise 5. Complete the sentences with how much or how many. The first. How much water do athletes need to drink every day? The second. He doesn't do much training, but he's still very fast. The third. There aren't many students in the competition. The fourth. How many athletes take part in the games every year? The fifth. Come on, we haven't got much time. Exercise 6. Choose the correct item. The first. Arman can swim 1,000 meters. The second. Jogging every day helps you keep fit. The third. You have to be 18 to drive in Kazakhstan. The fourth. Drinking lots of water is important when you do exercise. The fifth. Dancing is fun. The sixth. She has to jump over 3 meters to win the competition. Exercise 7. Read the blog post and fill in there or zero article. Hi guys. I'm Ayman and I love football. My favorite team is the Kazakh team, FC Astana. They are from Astana, the capital city of my country. My favorite player is Maksimovic. He's from Serbia and he's a brilliant player. I'm in a football team too. We wear t-shirts, shorts and football socks. The t-shirts and shorts are blue and the socks are white. We play games with other football teams in my city, Taraz. Sometimes we play games with teams from other countries, like Russia or the UK. We have a lot of fun. What about you? Have you got a favorite sport? Exercise 8. Choose the correct word. Hi, I'm Paul. I'm 12 years old and I live in London with my family. I've got a lot of hobbies and I can do many different things. I can dance very well and I can also run fast. My favorite sport is basketball. I can even spin a ball. I love snow because I can play ski. Unfortunately, I can't swim yet. What about you? Can you climb a tree or play the guitar? What hobbies have you got? Write back soon, Paul.